Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Tech Hub GH, and I'm Mary and I'm bringing to you digital marketing in 2 minutes. In today's video, we share with you 3 reasons why you need to add SMS marketing to your digital marketing strategy for this year. But before that, kindly hit the subscribe button and like to help others like you find this video. SMS is becoming an increasingly important part of efficient multi-channel marketing as more brands look to reach consumers on the move. With few digital marketing companies featuring SMS as a core service, most businesses are losing out on this great channel as they are all focusing on social media. Firstly, SMS has a read rate of 97% and messages are most often delivered timely. This makes SMS one of the most immediate channels available for information dissemination. By using SMS, you can be assured that your time-bound messages will be delivered and read almost instantly. Secondly, SMS is sent directly to each individual's contact and can have a personalized recipient's name. This adds a personal touch to the message going out to the recipient. Lastly, this is the best part of the whole deal. SMS marketing is very affordable and it is a channel that can help people advertise and market their products and services. Imagine sending personalized messages to 100 people for just 3 cedis 20 pesos. If you are looking for an affordable vendor for SMS marketing, you can contact Nalu Solutions Limited. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment below. Thank you.